Hello, good morning. We're now here in Danisa Townhomes located in Barangay Lara, San Fernando, Pampanga. And guys, nandito po tayo dahil meron po tayong buyer na gustong makita po ang ating project. So, bakit Danisa ang gusto nating piliin? Unang-una, this is situated in a strategic location that is near malls, business establishments, and transport terminals. And of course, more development pa po kasi dito sa area na to, at ito will surely increase yung price value po nito over time. And the last one, bakit pipiliin nating mag-invest o mag-acquire ng property dito sa Danisa Townhomes? Of course guys, lower monthly amortization through affordable payment scheme. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? This is developed by Borland Development Corporation. At guys, trusted na po ang developer na ito at wala ka nang worries pa pagdating po sa pag-acquire ng property dito sa Danisa Townhomes. So, eto guys, nakikita nyo sa aking likuran. Ongoing na po ang construction dito, and ayan, may mga naka-assign na po kung ano-ano pong mga block and lot po ang i-construct na po. And guys, merong 12 meters wide ang pinaka main road po niya. So eto yon. At ang mga other one is yung dito po is nasa 8 meters wide po guys. Okay, so this Danisa Townhomes, inuulit ko po, this is located in Barangay Lara, San Fernando, Pampanga. This is a 2-story townhouse na merong 49 SQM po ang lot area, and you can avail this through Pag-ibig and in-house financing. Okay. Hello, Ma'am Jen. Miss you too. I'm here now in Danisa Townhomes. Ayan guys. So, what else? So, napaka-liit lang po ng community dito. Hindi po siya crowded. Kaya magandang mag-invest po dito sa Danisa Townhomes. So, ang selling batches po natin ngayon is 1. Yung batch 1 po natin is sold out na po. 2, merong mangilan-ngilan. And then 3 and 4, may mga inventory pa po tayo na pwede po nating mapagpilian po. Okay? So, merong dalawang entrance gate po dito. Is ang pinaka main entrance is yung Barangay Lara, and the other one is yung Barangay Sagin, San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang 2-story townhouse na ito guys, ang kagandahan lang dito is unang-una, malapit po sa mga prime establishment. Tulad ng sinabi ko na kung nga po kanina, this is a very strategic location po kapag nag-invest kayo dito sa Danisa Townhomes. Second, yung quality po and yet affordable homes po para po sa mga nangangarap na magkaroon po ng sariling bahay po dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang townhouse na ito ay guys, masasabi kong napakagandang unit because saan ka pa maghahanap? Meron ng yung inner lot, may carport provision na po, may balcony, and meron pa pong sliding window. So, i-avail mo na ito dahil nasa pre-selling stage pa po ang Danisa Townhomes. So, ayan. Ito po ang pinaka-site mismo. Sobrang so hot in here. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, ano pa po ang hahanapin nyo dito? Wala na because lahat ng gusto mong malaman regarding sa project na ito guys is ayun po, nasabi ko na, and kung ano pa yung mga hindi ko nabanggit You can easily contact my number 0977-3059-172, or you can easily direct message to my FB page, Mel Real Estate Service, and to my personal FB account, Mel Almin Nanza. Ayan guys, take a last glance of this project. Ayan po. Okay, let's make your dream home happen here in Denisa Townhomes. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.